Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change RGB settings for Logitech G403 Hero. And to do this, we'll need to download Logitech G Hub on our PC. It's a software that allows us to change those settings. Now make sure that the onboard memory is off, otherwise you won't be able to change those settings. You can click on your mouse, don't click on the gear icon. Here there's a light sync and you can adjust RGB of your mouse. You can synchronize light zones, adjust the rates of lights blinking or change the brightness. There's also effects that you can change, you can turn them off entirely. Select fix, that will implement only one color. Cycle, breathing, and etc. There's also option to change the logo itself, and here we can do basically the same thing as in the primary colors, but it will change only for the logo right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.